Hello everyone, today I'll be starting a new series in which I will show you how to solve each of the problems from CS50P, the Python oriented course from Harvard University. So let's just begin with the week 0 of the first problem. Let me show you the problem set 0, and this is indoor voice. So I'm assuming that you have already signed in and logged in your CS50 uh, interpreter. See, so the first problem is indoor voice. So how will I be able to solve this question? Let's see what they told us. Writing in all caps is like yelling. Okay, best to use your indoor voice. Sometimes writing entirely in lowercase. Okay, in a file okay, in the file called indoor.py, implement a program in Python that prompts the user for the input. Okay, first of all, I have to prompt for the user input and then output at same input in lowercase. Okay, now I have to output the same input in the lowercase. Okay, punctuation and white spaces should be outputted unchanged. Okay, so I am just supposed to lowercase the upper one letters or the alphabets of English. You are welcome but not required to prompt the user explicitly as by passing a string of your own as an argument. Okay, so let's just begin. So they say to make a directory, I'll code indoor.py. Okay, so they were asking me to get the user's input, so I'll write over there user input, and then input is our text, so input. So they gave us the choice to explicitly ask something here, or you can just directly get the input. So I'm writing something. Okay, so this is the code to lowercase my numbers, and this will explicitly lowercases the letter part of the text. So let me check if there is any error or not. Python do.py. Hello, hello world. Okay, so it is uh, giving me the right answer. So let's just test our code by the check 50. Let's see. Actually, the thing was that I forgotten how to use this one text. I was just lower dot text. I was writing this one, but this is not the correct one. So and here our answer is all green. So I will just submit this one. By clicking right, you can paste or copy any of the thing in the terminal window. So I will be submitting this course. After pressing yes, my this code will be submitted to them. The file is only this one, so I am not doing it because I have already submitted this. And that's all for this video, and I hope you like this video, and I'll see you next time.